Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house nerdologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to Touch on Tech, where we talk about how emerging technology you know today is affecting the world you don't know tomorrow. Well, Nicolas Cage isn't in every movie, but why couldn't he be in every movie? Well, thanks to AI and deep learning, he can be. Fake App is a new tool that's come out that allows people to map a face of some person onto another person in a movie, or any video for that matter. So you could take Nick Cage, put him on anything. Oh, you think Nick Cage can't be Lois Lane? Wrong. Now it's Lois Lane, look at that. Oh, you think Nicolas Cage can't be in Raiders of the Lost Ark and be Harrison Ford? Boom. Now he is. So this technology has far-reaching implications. If you think fake news is fake now, just wait until you get the video version of fake news. So in Sweden, there apparently is a lack of light in the winter, which causes a vitamin D deficiency, which makes people depressed and sad. Well, a pharmacy up there took one of their large display windows, and so when you walk up to it, it uses motion detection to turn on some UV lights to give you that vitamin D. So it gives you some light therapy just from walking by. So if you can get vitamin D through a window, what else could you get through a store window? Sunburn? One time when I was taking a Flintstone vitamin, I accidentally took a caffeine pill and I didn't sleep for 3 weeks. Wouldn't it be nice if you could identify the medicine before you take it? So now you can eat your pills and you can identify them with QR codes. So with the medicine printer, you can print the medication onto these edible little tiles that then tell you what they are based on the QR code. Bloop. So for some reason, Alexa has been randomly laughing at like 10 p.m. or in the middle of the night, and no one knows why. Even Jimmy Kimmel's made a little parody about it.
Like that?
Yes, exactly like that.
What's really happening is Alexa is mistakenly being triggered by the laugh command. You can say, Alexa, laugh, and you'll get Alexa to laugh. And for some reason, Alexa was misinterpreting what these people were saying as Alexa laugh. So Alexa just laughed, which is fine. Just do it at the right time, Alexa. Don't creep people out. So do you like clothes? Do you like fashion? And do you like to see clothes moving down a runway? Well, at Dolce & Gabbana's recent runway event, they replaced models with drones. So this is probably one of the coolest runway events ever witnessed. And what else could you do with a drone that you could control indoors? Maybe you could just have one that roams around the office checking on people or taking notes to each other. You could even put leftovers from lunch on one of these and let them go pass them around and give out snacks to people. Program change alert. What we used to call This Week in Creepy Robots is now changed to This Minute in Creepy Robots because they're coming out so often. And once again, it's Boston Dynamics with their Spot Mini escaping from any enclosure you can put it in. They've learned to open doors just like the raptors of Jurassic Park, which is going to be great when these things are roaming around your house and they can go do all types of fun stuff like put your dishes up or do your laundry or go out and just jog around the house and make people really scared and concerned about what's going on in your house. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by and joining us, and we hope to see you next time for another edition Touch on Tech. So did you enjoy this Touch on Tech? I hope you did. If so, we'd love if you subscribed. And do you want to keep this learning machine going? Well, check out more on our playlist. I don't know what's in this corner.